Hello everyone, today I will show you how to insert blank pages in a PDF file, a specific location or a specific place as like after page number 2 or before page number 4. Open your PDF file and click this paste thumbnail option. I will insert blank pages, this page number 3. Click this page organize option and select here insert option. Here you will find insert empty pages. I'll insert this document page as like this document page. I'll insert 2 pages already selected after 3 pages and select here page number 3 already selected. Also you can put page number 2 and 3 and select here after selected and now select OK and see this page number 3 blank pages now inserted and click this insert option and empty pages. I'll insert on page from last to the document in this document. Now select OK and see this last page is now inserted. Again click this insert option and empty pages. I'll insert first page before 2 blank pages as like this document. Now select OK and see this these 2 pages are inserted before this document. In this way you can insert multiple blank pages a specific location or place in your PDF document. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.